formation repositions for its second pass. Viper West and Raptor demonstration teams would like to personally thank all our wounded warriors and military veterans in attendance today. It is because of your efforts and your sacrifices throughout the years that we have been afforded the privilege to be here with you today and to perform with you today. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to dedicate today's Heritage Flight to the wounded warriors and military veterans whose sacrifices over the years have helped preserve America's freedom. We hope you enjoy watching this rare formation flight of classic and current Air Force aircraft. United States Air Force Heritage Flight. F-16 Fighting Falcon, Major David Booster Grant. And finally, in the F-22 Raptor, Major David Zink Skulicki.